Hi guys, welcome to Top Notch 300, your favorite channel for tech and tricks. In this tutorial I will show you how to get virtually unlimited months of ExpressVPN Premium without you needing to pay for it. This is directly approved by ExpressVPN. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. ExpressVPN will be paid real money for these serial codes, for the allocations of these codes. So basically it works like this. You're going to watch some video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then a pretty significant amount of money will be credited to your ExpressVPN account, which is converted into 3 months. So for example, I could receive $100 credits basically for watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna show you in this tutorial how you can register, how you can use it. It is really easy and simple, and this level of advertisement made for ExpressVPN was released this year. Okay, today we are diving into the world of VPNs, of virtual private networks. If you have ever wondered what a VPN is, how it works, and why you might need one, then this video is for you. First thing first, what is exactly a VPN? A virtual private network, or VPN, is a service that allows you to create a secure and encrypted connection over the internet. Imagine it as a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, where all the data passes through safely. So how does a VPN work? When you connect to a VPN, your internet traffic is routed through a secure server which encrypts your data and hides your IP address. This means that anyone trying to snoop on your online activities will see the VPN server's IP address instead of yours, making it much harder for third parties to track you. So why is a VPN even important? A VPN can make it appear as though you are browsing from a different location, allowing you to bypass these geographical restrictions. If you are worried about safe online transactions, for those who often conduct transactions or manage sensitive information online, a VPN can add an extra layer of security to prevent data theft and data leaks. Using a VPN is incredibly easy. Choose a VPN service. There are many VPN services out there, both free and paid. Do your research and choose the one that fits your needs. Download and install it, then connect it and browse safely. Alright guys, the first step is to go to the website I am showing right now. Here you can get virtually unlimited ExpressVPN Premium months. The only requirement is to qualify first, but do not worry guys, it is very simple and it only takes 2 minutes or less. Just read the quick instructions and you are ready to go. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who love ExpressVPN and want to get a free premium license for free. If you want me to review more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like this type of content. And if you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. Alright guys, that wraps up a deep dive into the VPN services. I hope this video helped you understand what is a VPN, how it works, and why it is an essential tool for anyone who values their online privacy and security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.